My name is Michael Legg. I'm a site supervisor with Trico's multifamily department. Hardie board siding is a cement fiber board made of cement powder, sand, and cellulose fiber. Hardie board's very durable against all the elements, including wind, sun exposure, hail, freezing rain. It's not prone to warping, twisting, cracking like other products, and holds up very well in this climate. What makes Hardie board more reliable than vinyl or wood siding is it requires much less maintenance. It doesn't need to be repainted as often, and overall it's just a better product. Lifespan of Hardie board is anywhere from 30 to 60 years, typically on the higher end of that. So when people purchase a house with the Hardie board, they don't have to worry about their siding having to be replaced. It's basically a lifetime product. I think it was very important to have Hardie as the siding here at Chelsea Court, as we're in a storm path. A lot of thunderstorms in the summertime come off the mountains. They sweep through northeast Calgary. So having this product, we've already experienced storms this summer where we had no damage, where neighboring properties using a different siding product sustained significant damage.